Ambasha PRTI Conference Hall, Reserve Bank of India ni luwaji mobile Swrangchati National Mission Capacity Building of Bankers for Financing Workshop. O workshop of dolai hangkor kabangma Bankni adong rok manjak phaibekha. O salni pandane bisingtei Reserve Bank ni sepsap rok nuti juda kok cheri saikna raka Reserve Bank ni tangphang rok. Pandawo Reserve Bank ni tangphang rok no karibo Ambasha Pakakstepa Orob Depo Pandawo manjaka.
It's an aspirational district. Aspirational districts is a part of scheme of Government of India, where the Government of India is trying to maximize the development to these districts which lack in the infrastructure development. So, taking into this effect, if we see that Dhalai district being a part of this aspirational district, this sort of program is very much helpful and important also. On the perspective that if MSME is spread and if its effectiveness is extended further, it will definitely generate an source of income among the youths, and also the SHGs or the startup entrepreneurs may get influenced with this MSME support, and they can start their businesses on their own. So in the coming days, if such interaction programs are more being organized by the RBI, it will be more helpful to the people.